Hello, muraho. It's been a long time. Iminsi myinshi. It's really been a long time without you hearing about a list of verbs. I'm back. My name is Denise Muneza. I'm Kinyarwanda teacher, and I'm here to welcome you back in my Kinyarwanda classes. We've been doing this, doing list of verbs. It's been a few months without me giving you a new list of verbs, but I'm here, I'm back. I've been preparing some amazing things for you. So I hope you're going to enjoy again what we are going to do. We are going to do 10 verbs each time. As we already did 40 verbs, now I'm going to give you another list of 10 verbs, and I hope they are useful to you guys, and I hope you are improving your conversation in Kinyarwanda, and I hope you are enjoying my lessons. Welcome back. Let's get started. Ikinyarwanda. Ikinyarwanda. Before you start, you better know how to pronounce the language in a proper way. Ikinyarwanda. Rwanda. Okay, so here is another list of 10 verbs. We are going to add to what we already started in previous months. So the first one today is to call. To call is guhamagara. Guhamagara. Remember, I would like you to repeat after me. So each time I pronounce a word in Kinyarwanda, I would like you to repeat so that you can know the pronunciation. Number 2, to come. There is 2 verbs that means to come. So we have 2 verbs in Kinyarwanda. There is to come to, which is kuza. Repeat. Kuza. To come from, kuva. Kuva. That means in Kinyarwanda, if you're coming from somewhere, you are using this second verb. And if you're coming to me or to some people, or to here, you're coming here, we can use kuza. Number 3, to die. Gupfa. PF. Fa. Gupfa. Number 4, to enter. Kwinjira. Kwinjira. Kwi. KW. Kwi. Kwinjira. Number 5, to exit. Gusohoka. Try again. Gusohoka. Such an easy verb to pronounce. Gusohoka can also be to go out. So when you go out to see people, friends, family, you can, with family, you can use gusohoka. So it's to exit, to get out of a building or house. It's also to go out as just going have fun out. 6, to explain. Gusobanura. Gusobanura. 7, to fall. Kugwa. Kugwa. We also use this for rain. Kugwa. For the rain, we say kugwa. Because we don't have a verb to rain, we use to fall. Sometimes you hear people saying, the rain is falling. They say it like that in English because it's the Kinyarwanda verb kugwa, which means to fall and to rain. But of course, with the rain, we will use a different phrase than just to say, I fall down. So this is to fall down and to rain. Kugwa. To fill, to complete, 2 verbs, but we have 1 in Kinyarwanda. Kuzuza. Kuzuza. Number 9, to find, to see. That is number 9. to find, to see, we have one verb in kinyarwanda, kubona. Most of the time we use for to see, but also to find, to try to find something. Kubona. To finish. Kurangiza. Kurangiza. This is a list of 10 verbs. We are going to add more. We have to do 100 verbs. So that means we still have 50 verbs to complete our list. Then you have 100 verb list that you can use in everyday conversation. But remember, we are only giving you just the verbs. But to learn how to conjugate verbs, of course, you need to take classes. You are welcome to join my classes, and just get my contact from the description or the comment. And then you can contact me if you want to learn Kinyarwanda, or if you want just to know, have information about Kinyarwanda and the culture and our history and our country in general. So feel free to contact me, but also if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe so that you can follow all the videos that I'm posting on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'm Denise, your Kinyarwanda teacher, and I would like to really be your Kinyarwanda teacher and your culture guide. So feel free to ask any question, feel free to follow, and feel free to like my videos and comment if you do like them. Thank you so much. See you next time. Stay in touch, stay tuned. See you. Tuzabonana ubutaha. See you next time. Have a good day. Umunsi mwiza. Bye bye.